Hi friends, how are you? I think and I can see you all are well. Today we are with a class 10 very important poem. Oh, we are saying about poem, but the name of the poem is Fable. We know fable means a story based on animal characters and always with a moral. But the poet has named the poem in this way. And another title of the poem is The Mountain and the Squirrel. The poet has described a conversation between the squirrel and the mountain. This conversation is not a conversation, this is quarrel, like dramatic dialogue and maximum monologue. So let's go through the poem first. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel, and the farmer called the latter little pig. Ban replied, "You are doubtless very big, but all sorts of things and weather must be taken together to make up a ear and a spear. And I think it's no disgrace to occupy my place. If I am not so large as you are not so small as I, and not half so spry. I'll not denied you make a very pretty squirrel truck. Talents differ, all is well and wisely put. If I can't carry forest on my back, neither can you crack a nut." The poem was in this way. So, the mountain was the first one and the latter was one the squirrel. The nickname of the squirrel were what were the nicknames of the squirrel? Little pig, Ban, little. What were the nickname or calling name of the mountain? Very big, high, proud, in this way. So, few important words. The mountain mentioned the squirrel as a pig. Pig means very teeny, small person. And also told Ban. That means squirrel, rabbit, this type of small animals. The squirrel advised all things are needed to make a spear. That means globe, the whole world. The squirrel then is not same of being small. There is no disgrace. Spry, that means lively. Squirrel is proud as it is lively, can move here and there. But the mountain cannot. The mountain's dignity to make a pretty squirrel truck. And also mountain can carry forest but can't crack or break a nut. So few question and answer will cover whole the poem. Who is the poet of the poem? Ralph Waldo Emerson. The poet was born when and where? The poet was born in 1803 in America and died in 1882. What's the rhyme scheme? The rhyme scheme is AA, BB, CC, DD, EE, FF, GG, H, G, H. There are a few repetitions. The Ban replied, and long lines are divided in another. If am not so large as you are not so small as I. These two lines are mentioned as one in this way. What are the nicknames of the squirrel? Latter, pig, Ban, etc. How is the mountain mentioned? Mountain is mentioned as farmer, big, etc. What is spry? Spry is lively. What are two qualities of the two unique qualities of the squirrel. Number one, spry, that means moving, very lively. Number two, can crack a nut. What are qualities of mountain? Number one, it can make pretty squirrel truck. Number two, can carry forest on its back. Now extra questions. Who is referred as a bun? The squirrel. Yes, the squirrel is referred as the bun. What is the moral of the poem? The moral of the poem fable is that no one on this earth is more or less important than others. Whether big or small, everyone and everything has its place on this earth. Small, big, all are equal to make a universe. Yes, is it clear? Small, big, everything is needed for a complete world. Okay, goodbye. Don't hate or neglect others.